Yeah boy, Alex Boyer here and welcome back to another video. 2 videos in a week? Oh my god, that's amazing! Yeah, only for you guys. Also, in this video we are going to learn a couple of things actually. You're going to learn how to control a card to the top or the bottom. You're going to learn an awesome false shuffle, but most importantly, how to find the 4 aces in a borrowed and shuffled deck. Trust me, you're going to thank me at the end of this video. It is really good. So if you guys are ready to learn this amazing effect, hit the like button and let's do it. And I'll just be here enjoying my pumpkin spice latte. Finally, if you know, you know. Let's do it. Alright, ready for this?
Let's go.
Grab the cards for me and shuffle it. Go ahead. Go nuts! Go nuts! Okay, that's enough. Please, okay. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. What? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, no. Shuffle the cards. Go ahead and place the deck right here. Great, you've done an amazing job. So you're actually going to do the magic. I'm just gonna shuffle cards, and when you want, you say stop.
Cool.
Alright, go ahead.
Stop.
Great. This is the first pile. We also need 3 other piles. So go ahead, again.
Stop.
Great.
Stop.
Okay, and the last one. There, stop. Okay, that was great. So let's recap a bit. Again, this can be done with a borrowed deck. You shuffle the cards, you set stop at 4 different places, and you found 1 ace, 2 ace, 3 ace, and 4 ace. There you go, bud. Good job, man. That was the most awkward handshake in the world. Alright. So first of all, the first step you need. What's my hair? Alright, so the first thing you need is obviously a deck of cards and any 4 of a kind. So grab yourself a deck of cards. In this case, I'm gonna use the 4 queens. So Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Clubs, Queen of Spades, and my favorite, of course, the Queen of Hearts. So what's going to happen? Oh, wait. Oops. Alright, let's do it with the 4 aces instead. Alright, great. So now, I think this deserves a like. Come on, that was pretty good. After removing the 4 of a kind, you can place it on the side on your table, because now you have to know how to do a overhand shuffle. I'm sure there's a lot of tutorial on YouTube that can show you how to do it the right way. So the move that I'm gonna teach you right now, you're actually going to be able to control the top card or the bottom card. Here's what's up. So let's say the spectator chooses the 8 of diamonds. I can shuffle the deck and the 8 remains on top. Or if I wanted it at the bottom, I can shuffle like this, and again, the 8 is at the bottom. And the reason for that is that I'm actually slipping, slippity slide sleepy. All right, I'm actually taking the top card and the bottom one at the same time like this, and I can shuffle everything back on top of those cards. All right, so it goes like this. All right, so now I have the top card and the bottom one, and I can do it like this. But what's going to happen with the 4 aces, it's going to be a bit different, because you don't want to put the cards on top like this, because you're going to lose the other aces basically. So here's what's up. So the 4 aces goes on top. You slip the first one with this bottom card with your middle finger and your thumb, just like this. All right, you put a couple of cards on top like this, and now the spectator will say stop, stop. And now you put the first pile here. And now we've put 1 ace here, and the other 3 are still on top. And that's the beauty of this move. Slip it again, put a couple of cards, stop, perfect. You're gonna go like this. Now, last time, go like this again, stop, and that's it. You have the 4 piles. And obviously the 4 aces are on top, okay? A couple quick tips for you to make this effect really awesome. Please don't do this. And now you start shuffling, all right? This makes no sense. They're going to know that you did a move. It's pretty obvious. So what's going to happen is that practice the overhand shuffle and try to feel how you do it. And now out of nowhere, just slip 1 card, boom, right? I just did it again, because you want to make this move super natural, all right? You don't want to do this and now go like this. It's like, hey, I'm just gonna shuffle the cards. Makes no sense. Please don't do this. All right, so go slow. It's fine. Practice, and you'll be able to do it. All right. Second tip I can give you for this is that make sure the spectator doesn't take their time when they say stop, because you need to make sure you have enough cards to make 4 different piles. All right, so you can stress your spectator a bit to make a decision really quick. And the way to do it basically is just tell them, right? So, all right, really quick, say stop. Stop. Great. Perfect. Here. We need another pile. Go ahead. Say stop again. Here. Perfect. So rush them a bit. All right. Not too much. Don't go. All right. Say stop, please. All right. That's gonna be a bit weird. Okay. So take your time doing it. Practice, and have a lot of fun with that. Now, for the reveal, the most important moment of the effect. This is the moment when you want your spectator to freak out and to applaud and to just realize that you're a badass and you can find 4 aces, right? Make sure you don't do it this way. Here, watch. You found 1 ace. You found 2 aces. 3 aces, and 4 aces. Thank you. Boring as So the way to do it is this. Again, in my last video I told you guys, but a lot of energy is always more fun. So you go like this, you say, you found 1 ace, 2 aces, 3 aces, and you found the 4 aces, bam! And you're giving energy to the actual effect. Because if you react to the trick, they will react too. And that's more amazing, all right? So it's all about you. It's not about the trick. It's about how you handle your spectator and how you have fun with them, right? Remember that, it's super important. Last tip for you guys, do a small recap before the actual reveal. And hear me out. When you have your 4 piles like this and you're ready to reveal that they found the 4 aces, you say, let's recap a bit. You took the deck, you shuffled it, you said stop at 4 different places. I didn't do nothing. It's fair, right? The spectator will think like, oh my god, yeah, I did all the work. And again, that's a really good tip for you guys, because when it's about the spectator, it's always more impressive. Because we're magicians. It's obvious that we can find 4 aces inside of the deck, right? But when it's the spectator, that's when there's real magic happening, right? So now you say, let's recap a bit. You shuffle the deck, you cut the deck, you set stop at 4 different places, and watch. You found 1 ace, 2 aces, 3, and now you go like this, and trust me, it's gonna be way more impressive like this, all right? Now, you might ask yourself, but Alex, how can the spectator shuffle the deck? It's impossible because I need to put the 4 aces on top, need to do the move and blah, blah, blah. Well, the thing is that you can palm the 4 aces before you give the deck to the spectator. And this is what I do before any card trick that I perform, actually. And the reason for that is that, first of all, it's gonna stop hecklers right away. Because no one will say, oh, it's a trick deck, you did this, did blah, blah. No one's gonna call attention to the deck, because if the spectator shuffle the deck before you do magic, boom, it's a regular deck, they know. If you want to know how to palm a card, you can actually click right here, and it's going to show you how to palm a card. It's a lot of practice, but it's worth it, all right? Trust me, guys, worth it 100%. You grab the deck, you find the 4 aces, you palm it, give the deck to the spectator, they shuffle it, you grab the deck back, you place the 4 aces on top, and now you say, please, spectator, say stop. They say stop here, first pile, say stop here, second pile, say stop here, third pile, and the last one right here. Now, let's recap. You shuffle the deck, you said stop at 4 random spots, I didn't do nothing, you did all the work. And you did the magic. You found 1, 2, 3, 4 aces just like that. Bam! You're welcome. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I used to do this effect all the time, especially in parties. And the reason for that is that I use different spectators to say stop. And that's way more amazing. And when you perform this trick, make sure there's a lot of people around you, because the energy and the surprise is gonna be way bigger. And if you like magic and want to learn more magic trick, don't forget to subscribe. Practice, 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 but most importantly, have fun with it. My name is Alex Boyer, and I'll see you guys really soon. Peace! Was my hair.